ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
خمسة وخمسون
55.
العمل
Working.
ما هي وظيفتك؟
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
وظيفة زوجي طبيب.
My husband is a doctor.
My husband is a doctor.
أنا أشتغل كممرضة حتى منتصف النهار.
I work as a nurse part-time.
I work as a nurse part-time.
قريبا سنتقاعد.
We will soon receive our pension.
We will soon receive our pension.
لكن الضرائب مرتفعة.
But taxes are high.
But taxes are high.
والتأمين الصحي مكلف.
And health insurance is expensive.
And health insurance is expensive.
ماذا تريد أن تصبح يوما ما؟
What would you like to become someday?
What would you like to become someday?
أريد أن أصبح مهندسا.
I would like to become an engineer.
I would like to become an engineer.
أريد أن أدرس في الجامعة.
I want to go to college.
I want to go to college.
أنا طالب متدرب.
I am an intern.
I am an intern.
لا أكسب الكثير.
I do not earn much.
I do not earn much.
أنا أتدرب خارج البلد.
I am doing an internship abroad.
I am doing an internship abroad.
هذا هو رئيسي في العمل.
This is my boss.
That is my boss.
لدي زملاء لطفاء.
I have nice colleagues.
I have nice colleagues.
نذهب دائما وقت الظهر إلى الكافيتيريا.
We always go to the cafeteria at noon.
We always go to the cafeteria at noon.
أبحث عن وظيفة.
I am looking for a job.
I am looking for a job.
صار لي عام عاطل عن العمل.
I have already been unemployed for a year.
I have already been unemployed for a year.
يوجد في هذا البلد كثير جدا من العاطلين عن العمل.
There are too many unemployed people in this country.
There are too many unemployed people in this country.